Yo, what is up guys, my beautiful friends? Here I'm finally back from a lifetime absence from my channel to introduce you to a new service that will convert your musics, your photos, your videos in the fastest possible way. They are fully open sourced. They're doing an amazing job. They have plenty of endorsement, 5,500 stars on GitHub. They're doing a revolutionary job in here. The website and the service called vert.sh. This website just supports plenty of formats from images to audio to documents, even the videos. And one of the strength of their service is that they're doing plenty of the jobs locally in your PC. It means that it's super fast. Just to check them out and try one of their services, you will just simply click on drop or click to convert, click on it, select the image, in your case that might be music, video, whatever, and then click on that format. And bro, this is amazing. You have plenty of options to choose from. Let's say I want to change the format of this image to webp, right, to be able to put it on my website in a lower size. Click on convert this file and boom, it's easy as a pie. You'll see that. Wait a second, and download this file. Boom, done. It was super fast. I just thought to myself, that would be a shame not to introduce this website to you guys. They're doing truly an amazing job. It was it all about this video. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm doing my best to introduce you guys to best leading edge technologies and websites and services. Like this video if you find any value. Take care of yourself and see you in the next one.